Yo, what up YouTube, it's your boy SJ Ghost. We're back here with another video, bro. And this is gonna be a vlog, bro. On my trip to Hawaii. This is the day before. I know I look a little bit rough. It's all good, bro. Look at this dude, man. Look at this dude, bro. Look at this dude, man. Man, we chilling. There he is.
Yeah, real nigga alert. You know what I'm saying?
Straight vibes, man. We out here in beautiful Hawaii. You know.
We gotta buy soap. We gotta buy some. I gotta buy some toothpaste.
Toothpaste. I got my green juice. You can't forget the green juice, y'all.
Oh, we're in Hawaii, fool. This is crazy.
It's crazy, right?
It's been like 5 years. 5 years since we seen each other. We in Hawaii.
Alright. Man, it's not lying. Which way? We going this way straight?
Yeah,
I'm gonna follow you, cause you know where to go. Finna go get a nice little workout in. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the sun is like beaming. It's not super hot, it's like beaming, a little bit humid. But yeah, this is like one of my first real vlogs, man. So if I look a little bit like off or nervous, just know it's my first time doing this, you know? It's my first time doing this. Got a little GoPro, so now you know we can do this kind of stuff. He a YouTuber too, man. He just need to get back on it.
Yeah. Shit, we got a ticket, you know what I'm saying? Woke up in the morning with a ticket on our car. That shit crazy.
Ticket in Hawaii. 4 inches off. 4 inches off. Got a ticket. But guess what? It's only $35. Cake money. Yeah, look at that. The beauty. Boom. Boom.
Man, I can't wait to see the palm trees.
The palm trees? Oh yeah. It's gonna be lit. Yeah, so we're gonna keep vlogging and you know, I'm just gonna click the video every now and then. Yeah. Day one. Having fun with my dog. Yeah. Did was pretty much just go work out, and then after that we went to go like look at some stuff, but it was nothing major to this video, and that was pretty much was it. It was nothing too crazy, to be honest. Man, it's nighttime. Look, this man ran all the way out here, bro. This is goofy as they come. Bro, this is as goofy as they come, bro.
I'm about to shit myself.
Man, taking an adventure to a parking spot, right? Let's see if we parked in the right spot, right? Right, this is our chief right here. This is our chief. You see our chief, man? Lead the way. You know what I'm saying? Why are we walking this way then? Man, this is the right way. Man, we ain't trying to hear none of that.
You parked in the same spot? Yeah. That's what it was on the ticket. He said I was blocking the driveway by 4 inches.
And we not blocking the driveway. That's what he said.
That Mercedes got a ticket too. The one on the other side.
Oh, you talking about him right there? Dude, he's on the wrong way anyway.
So everything in here, right? You can't park?
Yeah, once it starts, it all says in, which is
that's what I tried to tell you.
Thank you.
Bro, that's what I said.
Thank you. So you can't tell me like that's not 4 inches. Like ain't no way that's 4 inches, right?
We're not allowed to park here. Hey, we'll go back in.
No. So last time he parked a little bit closer to that though. Yo, in Hawaii, the air feels good. It's early in the morning. You know, I'm a little jet lagged still. But yeah, my homie about to line on my beard. I know it looks nappy. Forget all that, it's early in the morning. But anyways, yeah, he's gonna do that. We're gonna see how he do. And I'm gonna let y'all follow along. So yeah. Gonna do what?
I'm about to chop this boy beard.
He about to chop this. Hey, yo, wait, huh?
Nah, we gotta fade that motherfucker. We gotta fade that motherfucker.
Yo, you already know what it is. Ah! So man, he did his thing, bro. That's what I look like. He did the beard. Yeah. Alright, y'all already know what it is, man. We out here driving on the highway. As you can see, the rain has just came down like crazy, like drastic. But it's cool though, man. We're about to go to the beach still, right? Hawaii's like very interesting. It's kind of like the South. Like the weather just changes. It just gets weird. It just, you know what I'm saying? It just gets weird. But as y'all can see, man, the rain just cleared back up. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mountain beach. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I'm not the Discovery Channel or nothing like that, man. I don't know what this stuff is called, but right now we're currently on Kamehameha Highway, as you can see. So a lot of y'all that don't know, I know a little bit of history. Kamehameha is actually, it was a king that was here in Hawaii back in the day. His name was Kamehameha. So I thought that was kind of funny. Like imagine just walking up to a king and just be like, hey, what up, Kamehameha? You know, it was dope. So as you can see, bro, got the beach behind me, dog. Yeah, so yeah, man, we're gonna go on another adventure. Don't mind me, I'm sipping. Gotta get a little bit comfortable out here, bro. I ain't never been on the beach, but yeah, as you can see, they got the palm trees. So up here, look, they got the trees up here too. Big buildings, all that stuff, man. And then behind me is like the water, as you can see. So man, yeah, we're gonna get in the ocean and yeah, see what it feels like. Man, what you gotta say to the people, man?
Shit, man, living life. What else can I say? You know what I'm saying?
I said, what else can he say, man? We out here, bro. So we can't go over here. They told us if we go over there, it's a drop off, bro. Meaning you gonna just go straight down. But you can see there's a boat, there's a bunch of people out there wheeling the deep part. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. My shorts are kind of like small, bro. They feel small right now. Bro, I know that water feel good. This man feeling it, yeah. It's coming. Uh-oh. That's crazy, man. They got the cargo ships over there. Crazy. Oh yeah, SSJ Ghost Woo in the flesh, you know, chilling with the gang. He said big durr. Look at that, y'all. Yo. Bro, it's been a day, bro. We out here hiking now. How you bring us here, man?
I'm tired.
We ain't even there yet.
Wait up, Woo. Wait up.
I'm inside Diamond Head, you feel me? Light work. Light work. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Oh, blooded.
What it taste like? Let's see.
That shit good.
For real?
Yeah.
Well, he ain't got a lot of meat. It says Jay Ghost, who in the flesh, man. You know, other adventures, man. With my boy T Sizzle. Hey, T Sizzle, say what's up.
What's up, fam?
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take it a little bit, you know. Yo. Yeah. But yeah, man, look at that beautiful view back there in the back. Stay tuned for more action. On the beach now. It's actually like very pretty out here, as y'all can see. It's very gorgeous, like being up here close. But yeah, Hawaii is an experience. You know me, I got a little private access to certain things, so you know I'm in a local beach that's not local, but a private beach that nobody can really like see. So yeah, we're out here. Oh, got you. Come on. You gotta move quick. How you want me? I got all of them up. Man. What up, T? What up, bro? Say what's up to the people, man.
Hey, look. Hey, I gotta use the restroom. You know what that means? This is my bathroom. Shit, the big motherfucking 3 back at it again, boy. Yeah. Boy, look at that mountain back. Oh.
Oh, we really got okay, I got time.
Hey, get this tequila slam to get it, Tick. Chill out. I got that again, man. You good? You gotta close your eyes, bro. Oh shit, you caught that? I think so. Oh, fuck.
Close your eyes, bro.
You gotta close your eyes and hold your breath.
You gotta close your eyes, too.
You cracked me up, bro.
You cracked me. Alright, I'm ready.
You got it.
Come on, give me a good one.
My mama always said,
Right on.
swim, boy, swim. Got that boy on camera swimming. I can swim, bro. Hey, look, I'm first black man.
Yeah, monkey swim.
We having a good old time out here. Holy crap. I know y'all saw that, bro. Holy crap. You tired, bro? Why you tired? Why you tired, bro?
Nigga, I've been underwater more than I've been above.
You heard that?
Look, there's camera. A camera?
Is that what happened on Pearl Harbor?
They like.
The whole thing.
She looks so all of it.
What you doing? Oh, you recording? You recording me? Yeah. Okay. Let me record him. Look. Yeah, she knows. Look, she knows. She knows. gonna be a pro. Man, future streamer, yeah. Future streamer. Yo. Oh, yummy.
Right here.
Right there.
Oh, nice.
Nah, you can easily just have to go past the rocks. Not far. And I just got drafted, man. I just got drafted on a baseball team in Hawaii, aka Hawaii. You know what I'm saying? I got drafted, huh?
Yes, sir. We out here, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit, nigga.
Yeah. Also, check this out. Got a Hawaii hat. Say hi. See, cool. I'm out here with T-Sizzle. You know what I'm saying? You know? And I'm out here too, right? We're just gonna go underneath the water. Beautiful, ain't it? It's very beautiful. But we're gonna go underneath the water for a little bit, right? And yeah, so let's do it. We're gonna get underneath the water a little bit, and yeah, let's do it. Ready? I messed up. So I don't know what I breathed in that hard for, but we're gonna go again. Let's do it. Coming too deep and then the water got into the tube. It's funny, bro, because it tastes like straight salt. I always think about these type of waters, like, bro, people probably just pissing in here all day. It's kind of wild, bro. It's kind of wild, bro. But we do it. We got the rocks over here. I actually found one fish over here earlier. I wish I could find more, but it's kind of tough, bro. This water's a little bit dirty. My buddy that brought us here, he said he'd come here all the time, and he said for some reason the water's a little bit more dirtier than usual. So I was just assuming people are just urinating or other stuff. So yeah, let's go. No.